Understanding the phrase, set aside to cool, in cooking. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking, set aside to cool. Understanding such phrases is not only essential for following recipes but also for enhancing your English language skills. Whether you're a budding chef or a language learner, this video is for you. Set aside to cool is a phrase often found in cooking recipes. Let's break it down. Set aside means to move something to a different place where it won't be disturbed. In cooking, this usually means taking the food off the heat and putting it somewhere safe. To cool refers to allowing the food to lose heat, usually until it reaches room temperature or a temperature specified in the recipe. Together, the phrase means removing food from heat and placing it somewhere to cool down. Understanding set aside to cool is crucial for several reasons. 1. Safety. Hot food can cause burns. Setting it aside to cool minimizes this risk. 2. Texture and flavor. Some dishes need to cool to develop the right texture and flavor. For example, cakes and cookies might be too soft or crumbly if not cooled properly. 3. Preparation for next steps. Some recipes require food to be cooled before proceeding with the next steps, like frosting a cake. Let's look at some examples where this phrase is used. 1. Baking cakes. After baking, cakes are often set aside to cool before they are decorated or served. 2. Cooking meat. Roasted or grilled meats are sometimes set aside to cool slightly, making them easier to slice. 3. Making jellies or puddings. These often need to be set aside to cool and set properly. When a recipe instructs to set aside to cool, avoid these mistakes. Not cooling enough. Rushing this step can ruin the dish's texture or make further handling difficult. Cooling in a wrong place. Avoid cooling near a heat source or in an area where the food can be contaminated. I hope this video helps you understand the importance and meaning of set aside to cool in cooking and English language learning. Remember, cooking phrases can be a fun and practical way to improve your language skills. Happy cooking and learning! See you in the next video.